Welcome back to my channel. Let's make my everyday kale salad. What you're gonna need is kale, spinach, orange and yellow peppers, red onions, olive oil, lemon pepper, smoked paprika, and salt. The first thing that you're gonna do is take a bunch of kale in your hands and rub it around to give it a nice massage, and then break it up into little pieces. The massage breaks up the flavor of the kale and gives you just nice, crispy, delicious leaves. Then you want to sprinkle with a little bit of Himalayan sea salt and then generously apply olive oil. I'm going to give it a shake in my container here and add a little bit more olive oil because this olive oil is going to be the only dressing that I actually have. So you want all of your leaves nice and coated. Then the secret to making a great kale salad is to let your kale rest for at least 2 to 5 minutes depending on how much kale you use. Next, you're going to want to take a bunch of spinach, a nice handful, and just break those into bite-sized pieces. You're going to want to put those right on top of your kale, then dress them with a little bit of seasoning. I'm going to use lemon pepper because I'm out of fresh lemon and it gives it a nice zest. And then I'm going to use my favorite ingredient, which is smoked paprika, and I'm going to be generous with that because I like paprika. And then you're going to want to coat those spinach leaves with olive oil as well. Then take your orange and yellow peppers that I pre-cut in my grocery haul and give yourself a nice handful of those, as well as a nice handful of red onions. Again, these onions were pre-cut during my grocery haul, and I'm going to be pretty generous with my onions because the onions give it a sweet and savory flavor that makes you feel like your salad has just been prepared by a chef. It's delicious. And then you want to give that a shake. Again, the olive oil is the only dressing that you have along with that seasoning, and you want to make sure every leaf has a little bit of smoked paprika, a little bit of lemon pepper, and then after that you pour it out over a plate and look at this deliciousness. It looks so good. It is so good. And that's it. That's how you make my everyday kale salad. My favorite part is eating it, and it's delicious, which is the reason why I'm going to eat these last few bits and pieces with my hands. No piece left because every piece is seasoned. Thank you so much for watching.